So this is how to buy Solana crypto in Canada here on Robinhood. So once the app is opened up, at the very bottom in the middle, select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here, at the top where it says search by name or symbol, that's where you can go ahead and type in Solana. You can also type in ticker symbol SOL or SOL if you want as well, but once that is done, go ahead and select it. Once you're on the Solana page right here at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Then you can type in how much Solana crypto you want to purchase. So if you wanted to go to the top right to where it says market order, you can change this from a CAD or an SOL market order. I'll keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. Once you're here, type in the amount of Solana crypto that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then just press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see how much Solana you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, at the very bottom, you can swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Solana crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.